Hello Harmony One holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the Harmony One coin. What's the current price of Harmony? What's the price changes occurring in the Harmony? In this video, I'm going to show you. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. My friends, you already know about this, that the price of the Harmony One coin is very badly fast down, especially in the last last month, my friends. In the June, the price of the Harmony is completely going down, but now this time the situation is going good. But you have to only wait, you have to only patient, my friends. Before starting this video, please, if you are new to my channel, please, my friends, please click the subscribe button, also like this video, my friends. Anyways, my friends, so first of all, you can see here that the currently latest price of the Harmony in the market is 0.061002 USD dollar. That is the currently highest price of the Harmony One coin. And furthermore, you can see if we talk about the price changes in the whole chain, so completely, my friends, completely the price of the whole chain is going down, my friends, from the June month. And now still the price changes in the Harmony is negative, my friends, but don't worry about this, my friends. And hold this, my friends, hold this, don't worry about this. Every cryptocurrency is faster, but does not mean that you're disappointed, my friends. Don't worry about this, this will again explode, my friends. This will again take a jump, my friends. Harmony One coin is the best coin, my friends, in the market. Now this time from this chart, it's clear that the price of the Harmony One coin is completely going down, but everything will be positive. You have to only wait for it. Thanks for watching this video. And how do you feel today about your Harmony One coin? Please also tell me in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.